Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chainlink CCIP detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Chainlink CCIP, start by visiting the official Chainlink page. Locate the section for CCIP on the website. Read through the introductory material to understand the key features and benefits of CCIP. Click on the Get Started button to proceed with the registration process. You may need to create a Chainlink account if you don't already have one. Fill out the required fields in the registration form, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log in to your Chainlink account. Navigate to the CCIP registration area within your account dashboard. Review the terms and conditions, and ensure you understand them completely. Accept the terms by checking the appropriate box. Provide any additional information requested during the registration process. Next, you will need to select the blockchain network you intend to work with. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet that supports the chosen blockchain. Authorize the connection to facilitate interaction with Chainlink CCIP. Once connected, you may be asked to configure specific settings and preferences. Complete the setup by confirming all entered information is accurate. Finally, click the Register button to finalize your registration with Chainlink CCIP. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating successful registration. Now, you are ready to start using Chainlink CCIP for your decentralized applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.